Hi all, greetings from the apocalypse. So we did some post soldering this week in the studio, and one of my students melted her post and didn't know why. So I came over to help, and I'll show you how we get to the bottom of that particular mystery. There'll be more episodes on soldering on a post, because soldering on a post is one of those things. It's simple, but it isn't easy. So it'll be in a couple increments. I hope you enjoy it.
You have cut yourself a long, skinny piece of solder. And I would prefer, so I'm going to cut a square because in this case, we're literally making like a sandwich. Oh, but we can't, oh, hey, you use 20 karat solder?
Yeah.
Oh, the post is 14.
Ah.
No wonder you melted it.
Oh, no wonder.
So when you're using gold solder, it always has to be the same carat or less. So 14 karat post, we need 14 karat solder.
Let me see if I got it. Well, we just saw.